And then also, if you're going through this and you're like, I don't need all of these cabinets, or I just want to delete them, as we hover over each of the cabinets, not only are you seeing it highlighted in the actual 3D mockup. Let me turn this around, make it a little bit easier for you to see. So let's say I wanted to delete this guy right here. So this is the third from the left on the first wall. Or if I just go through this list, you can see it's being highlighted. This is our base cabinet number 9, and I can either edit the name, it automatically just numbers them in order that you add them to your project, or you could just delete it right there. I'm gonna delete that cabinet. But let's say I wanted to rearrange the cabinets. So we're gonna use our wall 2 as an example because we have 2 different types of cabinets. Let's say we wanted our sink to be up against the wall for whatever reason instead of our drawers. Instead of having to like delete this and then add a new one in, you literally can just click and drag to rearrange. And if you hover over this far left icon, you can see it's giving you that little tooltip right there. Click it, dragging it, pulling it up, and you can see it auto adjust. You can see it auto adjust on our cabinet list. And then once I let it go, it actually updates in our preview. Now you actually can click it anywhere other than these icons right here. So again, I'm gonna click it just kind of in the middle, drag it down, and that updates right there. So in general, that is how you edit your room, both in the dimensions as well as the layout, and then how you can quickly add in stock cabinets. And you can just see how fast we can actually populate this thing with cabinets.